Welcome everyone. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400, a premium maxi scooter that blends motorcycle-level performance with scooter SEO practicality. The Burgman 400 has always been about effortless commuting, long-distance comfort, and refined performance, and the 2026 version takes all of that even further with subtle design updates, improved technology, and enhanced riding comfort. Body panel. The body panels of the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400 are designed with a sharp yet elegant profile that gives the scooter a premium presence on the road. These panels are purpose-built to improve aerodynamics, helping reduce wind resistance and increase stability at highway speeds. The high-quality finish also improves durability, resisting scratches and everyday wear while maintaining a clean, upscale look. Front fairing. The front fairing is wide and protective, designed to shield the rider from wind and road debris. Its aerodynamic shape reduces fatigue on long rides and helps keep the rider comfortable during high-speed cruising. Windshield. The tall windshield is one of the Burgman's signature comfort features. It directs airflow over the rider's head and shoulders, minimizing wind pressure and making highway rides quieter and more relaxed. This is especially beneficial for daily commuters and touring-focused riders. Headlight design. The headlight features a modern, aggressive design that complements the scooter's premium character. It is positioned to provide excellent road illumination while also improving visibility to other road users. Taillight design. The rear taillight is sleek and wide, ensuring the scooter remains visible from a distance. Its placement enhances safety while maintaining a clean and modern rear profile. Seat design. The seat is long, wide, and deeply cushioned, offering exceptional comfort for both the rider and the passenger. The stepped design provides lower back support for the rider and a secure seating position for the passenger, making long journeys far more enjoyable. Riding ergonomics. The Burgman 400 is known for its relaxed riding posture. The upright seating position, combined with a spacious footboard, allows riders to stretch their legs and adjust foot placement for maximum comfort during extended rides. Handlebar position. The handlebar is positioned for natural reach, reducing strain on the shoulders and wrists. This setup enhances control and makes low-speed maneuvering effortless, especially in city traffic. Footboard space. The wide footboard allows multiple foot positions, letting riders shift their stance on longer rides. This improves circulation and reduces fatigue. Instrument cluster. The instrument cluster combines analog dials with a digital display. It provides clear information such as speed, fuel level, trip data, and engine status. The layout is easy to read at a glance, keeping the rider informed without distraction. Storage access. The under-seat storage is accessed smoothly and opens wide, making it easy to load and unload items. The design prioritizes convenience for daily use. Engine configuration. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400 is powered by a refined single-cylinder engine designed to deliver smooth and consistent performance. This engine balances power and efficiency, making it ideal for both urban commuting and highway cruising. Power output. Power delivery is strong and linear, allowing the scooter to accelerate confidently without feeling aggressive. This makes overtaking easier and provides a relaxed riding experience even at higher speeds. Transmission system. The automatic transmission ensures seamless acceleration without the need for manual gear changes. This allows riders to focus entirely on the road, making the Burgman 400 especially user-friendly for both new and experienced riders. Cooling system. The liquid cooling system maintains optimal engine temperatures, improving reliability and performance during long rides or in heavy traffic conditions. Fuel efficiency. Despite its strong performance, the engine is tuned for efficiency. This helps reduce fuel costs while extending the riding range, making the scooter practical for everyday use. Frame and chassis. The chassis is engineered to provide stability and confidence at speed. Its rigid structure enhances handling while maintaining comfort, even on uneven road surfaces. Braking system. The braking setup includes powerful disc brakes that deliver predictable stopping performance. This allows the rider to brake confidently in both city traffic and highway conditions. ABS support. The anti-lock braking system prevents wheel lock during sudden braking, enhancing safety and maintaining control on slippery or uneven roads. Suspension setup. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and road imperfections effectively. This results in a smooth and stable ride, even on longer journeys. Traction control. Traction management helps maintain stability during acceleration, especially on wet or loose surfaces. This adds an extra layer of confidence for everyday riding. Electrical reliability. The electrical system is designed for long-term reliability, supporting modern features while ensuring consistent performance in daily use. LED headlight. The LED headlight provides bright and focused illumination, improving nighttime visibility and enhancing safety. It also consumes less power, improving overall efficiency. LED taillight. The LED taillight ensures quick response and high visibility, making braking intentions clear to vehicles behind. Turn indicators. The turn indicators are bright and clearly visible, improving communication with other road users and enhancing safety. Charging port. A convenient charging port allows riders to charge smartphones or navigation devices on the go, making the Burgman 400 ideal for modern commuting. Under-seat storage. The under-seat storage is one of the biggest highlights of the Burgman 400. It can easily accommodate helmets, bags, or daily essentials, reducing the need for external luggage. Front storage compartments. Additional front storage compartments provide quick access to smaller items like wallets, gloves, or documents. Passenger comfort. The passenger seat and grab handles are designed for stability and comfort, ensuring a pleasant experience for two-up riding. Utility for touring. With optional accessories such as top boxes and backrests, the Burgman 400 becomes a capable touring scooter,